Hi guys, good morning guys. I hope people are great today. So because actually I am learning English and as well is very well do something in them very important. Guys, my name is Anil Maurya. So because actually I'm gonna to learn English to how to speak and very the peoples can't speak properly. What is the reasons? This is the manly reasons. So because people are not speaking and not the practice a more time in future. So because if you want to learn English and very easy tips, I give you the two tips in the more very crucial for everyone. So because guys, the people's when start suddenly stuck. The what is the main reason? That is the main reason, guys, because actually people are not is doing peoples. The who people's learning English, please join these channels because actually I will share in this video to everything so how to start your English and peoples can't speak and properly and stay and feel shy, hesitations a lot. So because guys, whenever I started my English journey, it was a very uh, horribles in my life and instead the people are laughing at me and a lots people, but actually and this time so you can see guys, so because actually I am learning and properly, but actually whatever I have experienced I will share in this video. This is a very important for you guys because actually uh, I would like to tell about my daily routine to how to learn English. This is the very easy because guys, if you want to learn English and because you have to practice a more times around 30 and a 1 hours continue you have to practice and every day because actually guys, I get up early in the morning around 6 a.m., then I go to fresh and then I come back home right now in the worship and then come back the put on the cloth after prepares breaking fast. Actually I'm ready for to do learn English. So because actually my English was not good that time because actually on these times because actually I am learning and actually I'm improving and this actually I 30-minute practice every day my English journey so daily because actually I want to become my teacher in my life because actually I am living a very small village from Ayodhya. So because actually there is people of North that speak English there because actually there is the lots people's speaking Hindi always. Actually anyone's not understand English language, but actually there is the people are the enjoying to you everyone's when you start your English because the do one things guys, please get up early in the morning and because early in the morning and please go alone place and for practice English because it will be good for you and increase your gradually and increase your vocabularies grammar and speaking, and you can only focus for speak English and first of all listen anyone English as I like to cartoon news, and this is very good for you and children's cartoon in English language and you can watch and you can listen properly. Then after that 15 days you will find it and good communication and increase your communication and improve your English and vocab as well. So right, and second guys, and please be carefully listen anyone English and be carefully and alone places anyone no disturb, right? Actually I am doing as the same doing these days because and that time was my English it that was not as good for anyone's whenever I started my English the people's laughing at me and loving enjoy me, but and this time you can see and this time, so because actually my English and increased a lot. Actually I can speak and properly and this time because actually I practice a more time. I can speak to them. I speak to anyone without any further, without fear. I can speak and properly because guys, if you want to very interested to learn English and speak English, please join this channel and you can improve your English and vocabs and grammar as well. So because this is the main reason guys, this is the main practice. You have to practice a more time and always speaking to anyone without fear, right? Got it? I hope that you can speak English and these days and vocab improving and everywhere. So guys, don't panic and please speak English from start from today. Don't waste time. This is the global language guys, this is the global language, and you will go to anywhere for the job and you can interview only in English. It will be good your communication in English, so you will find it new job and good salary and per month. So guys, I hope that you will understand and this suggestion. Please guys, join these channels. You haven't subscribed my channel, please guys subscribe this channel for to help. And always this is channels created for the beginner, my beginners, the who peoples are joining and learning and English language. Please subscribe this channel, you will get notifications soon for new video. And this channels for the practice and blogging only in English and learning grammar translation as well. So guys, I hope that you understand and this suggestion. Please enjoy this channel and subscribe. Thank you, bye bye. And you can please don't forget for practice and listen. The first of all listen and then second speaking, okay? And you can watch cartoon movie and use and you readings newspaper, right, at regular basis, and you can do it. Thank you, bye bye, see you, will be meet you the next video guys, bye, take care.